Concrete heads, Owen Blevins, ConcreteAnswers.tv, bringing you the internet's most passionate show about concrete plants and equipment. Today, Jim Amelung from Barnes Industrial Group is going to give us a nice little walk around on the CON-E-CO LoPro 327. Jim does an awesome job, so I'd like you to listen up and check it out.
This model of the LoPro 327 gets its name by the 327 barrel in-truss cement silo. The cement is delivered into the cement batcher by two feeder screws. This particular plant has a 9-inch screw and a 12-inch screw. Both screws start in unison when you start your way up, and as you get close to your target weight, the A screw, which would be your 12-inch screw, shuts off, and your B screw, which is the 9-inch screw, finishes out the weighing to get your target weight. This completes a more accurate way of weighing up cement versus the gravity flow out of a silo. On concrete batch plants, you have two types of aggregate batchers. You have your conventional gate style batcher or the CON-E-CO live bottom conveyor batcher. What this conveyor will allow you to do is control the rate of discharge of your aggregate with a variable speed drive on the belt. There are no gates on the batcher. The load is controlled on the belt by a trough that's located inside the batcher, and the material flows around that trough and then up the belt, so you get a good ribbon discharge of both aggregates, sand and rock, as it's discharged into the ready mix truck. CON-E-CO is known for our low profile recirculating batcher. What that does is that it keeps the height of the plant down about 9 feet compared to a gravity fed batcher. We also offers two features, is that if you're using two cementitious materials, the recirculating screw in the batcher pre-blends the cement before it's discharged into the truck. In the transportation mode, the legs are in the folded position. They're unpinned, they're lowered down and locked. This eliminates the need for having a crane on site to erect your plant. Saves a lot of time and a lot of expense during the erection period of your plant. Being mobile means a fast setup. CON-E-CO provides a 4-point hydraulic self-erecting feature on our plant. We have a small gas motor with a hydraulic pump that the plant is delivered. We raise all 4 corners of the plant with the hydraulic cylinders. The legs are hinged and pinned in place. They fold down and they lock in with locking pins. One of the exclusive features on a CON-E-CO LoPro is our electrical panel, which is UL approved at the factory, which our shop meets all UL standards. We use all standard, well-known components from Square D, which are available from any local electrical supply house. The features that CON-E-CO offers is that we use brand name products that have a good quality and a good availability. We also laminate the full electrical schematic on inside of our panel, so there's never a lost drawing. And when you're troubleshooting a plant, it's nice to be able to point out exactly what circuit breaker controls what item on the plant. On the CON-E-CO Ag section of this plant, we feature a central lubrication. This will ensure that each gate's getting the proper lubrication when needed. On the gate system on this plant, all LoPros come with 8 fill gates. Each gate is operated by its own 4-inch air cylinder, and each cylinder features a quick dump valve, which ensures a very fast closing of the gate that increases the accuracy of your way up. The height of a CON-E-CO LoPro with the recirculating batcher can accommodate most mixer trucks on the market today, whether they be front discharge or rear discharge. The height of this plant here is 13 feet 2 inches, and we can adjust that height by adjusting the leg length on each plant. The feature that we have on a CON-E-CO plant is that you can see that there's no structure for the trucks to back into. This allows us to get a full 180 degrees of loading from any direction, and this might become important to offset any prevailing winds and dust control on the back of the trucks. This can be a drive-through plant or it can be a back-end plant.
Jimmy, thanks for that great walk around on that LoPro 327. As you guys may or may not know, the 327 is the little brother of the CON-E-CO LoPro 427, which has really made its mark among a lot of contractors and ready-mix producers in this industry. So listen, if you want any more info on that 327 or any of the plants CON-E-CO sells, go to ConExpo.com. Of course, you know we love you at Mid-Atlantic Concrete Equipment. And as always, we'll see you next time at ConcreteAnswers.tv.